Hello children, today we will be discussing the various sorting methods. Now first of all we should know what is sorting. Sorting is a process of arranging data in a particular order. The data can be either in ascending order or in descending order. Now there are three methods in which data can be sorted. First is selection sort. This is the first method. The second is bubble sort, and the third is insertion sort. We will be discussing the three methods one by one. Selection sort. This is one of the techniques to sort the given data items in a specified order. To sort the elements in ascending order, the successive minimum numbers are found starting from each subscript from beginning of the array and replaced with the elements of the start index correspondingly. This is the definition which I have read from the book. इस definition से कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Simple terms में मैं आपको फिगर बनाकर दिखाती हूँ. देखिए, ये एक array है. For example, this is an array. I am making a figure like this. इसमें elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 elements in the array. Index numbers क्या होंगे इनके? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Suppose the elements here in the array are 44, 97, 49, 54, 100, 23, 17, 81, then let me say 66 and 77. These are the elements. In selection sort, we will start from the first element and compare each element. And we will find the smallest element. कहाँ पर है smallest element? Smallest element ये है. ये smallest element है. इसकी position क्या है? 6. और 0th element पे क्या है? 44. We will interchange the smallest element with the 0th element. समझ में आया? अब क्या हो जाएगी position? 17. ये 97 यहीं पर रहेगा. 49 यहाँ पर रहेगा. 54 यहाँ रहेगा. 100 यहाँ रहेगा. 23 यहाँ रहेगा. Here it will be 44. क्यों? क्योंकि 17 और 44 इंटरचेंज हो गए. 81, 66 एंड 77. अब फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑलरेडी इंटरचेंज हो चुका है, तो ये हमारा बन गया सॉर्टेड एरे. अब सेकंड केस में हम यहाँ से और यहाँ तक मानेंगे अब एरे को. ये हमारा सॉर्टेड एरे हो गया. इसको हम कंपेयर नहीं करेंगे. अब जो बाकी अनसॉर्टेड एरे है उसमें से स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट ढूंढेंगे. पहले एलिमेंट से कंपेयर करेंगे सबको, स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट मिल जाएगा. स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट इज 23 नाउ. अब अनसॉर्टेड एरे के फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के साथ उसको इंटरचेंज करेंगे. सो अब सॉर्टेड एरे क्या हो गया? 17 एंड 23. दिस इज द सॉर्टेड एरे. और यहाँ पर आया 49, 54, 100, 97. 97 इज इंटरचेंज्ड विद 23. 44, 81, 66 एंड 77. दिस इज द सॉर्टेड एरे एंड दिस इज द अनसॉर्टेड पार्ट. अब फिर से अनसॉर्टेड पार्ट में से हम स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट ढूंढेंगे. व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट हियर? I think 44. It will be interchanged with the first element of the unsorted part. तो sorted part क्या हो गया? 17, 23 and 44 now. This is the sorted part. अब यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? 54, 100, 97, 49, 81, 66, 77. Now 3 elements हो गए sorted. अब बाकी जो unsorted part है उसमें से फिर से ढूंढिए. Smallest element is 49. It will be interchanged with 54. So 17, 23, 44, 49. This is the sorted part. Now 100 will remain over here. 97, 54 will come over here. 81, 66, 77. I hope this is clear. देखो sorted part के number of elements बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next step, 54 is the smallest. It is interchanged with 100. Then 17, 23, 44, 49, 54, 97. 100, 81, 66, 77. अब इसमें 5 एलिमेंट्स हो गए. अब इसमें से स्मॉलेस्ट ढूंढो. 66, 17, 23, 44, 49, 54। अब इसको इंटरचेंज करेंगे 97 से, तो 66 यहाँ आएगा, ये 100 होगा, 81 होगा, ये 97 होगा, 77। ये सॉर्टेड हो गया। अब इन तीन चारों में से स्मॉलेस्ट इज 77, ये 100 की जगह पे आ जाएगा। 77, 81, 97 एंड 100। इसके बाद स्मॉलेस्ट 81 है, वो अपनी जगह पे बिल्कुल ठीक है, ये अपनी जगह पे बिल्कुल ठीक है, ये अपनी जगह पे बिल्कुल ठीक है। दैट मीन्स फाइनल हमारी लिस्ट ये बनकर आएगी। This is the final list. This is how selection sorted is done. First of all, we select the smallest element and then we interchange it with the first position of the unsorted array. Then from the second position we compare all the elements and find the smallest element again, and again it is interchanged with the first element of the unsorted array. Like this selection sort is done. I hope this process is clear to you. I will explain this process practically also to you on the laptop. Hello and children, send it to you. Now I will be doing the selection sort program practically with you all. Since the schools are not opening and we all are stuck in our homes due to this COVID-19 situation, so those who are having laptops at home can practice them, but those who are not having a computer at home, it is difficult for them to practice these programs. And as you all know, Java is all about practicing programs. Lot of programming questions are there in your syllabus, so I am doing some questions practically so that you are able to understand better. Please pay attention and watch these videos again and again, and if you have any problems you can ask in the group anytime you want. So I have declared I will be importing the java.util package. Then I will be declaring selection sort class. Then I'll write public static void main string args. Where is A? After this, I am declaring a few integer variables: int I, j, t, min, int num equals to new int 10. Then I am declaring a scanner class object. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Then I am writing system dot out dot println, enter 10 numbers. The numbers are not to be sorted, okay, we will sort them. So to enter the numbers we are using the for loop. For I equals to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, num at position I equals to sc dot next int, next int. Now we will be starting the loop for sorting. For I equals to 0, I is less than 9, I plus plus, min equals to I. For j equals to I plus 1, j is less than 10, j plus plus. If num at position j is less than num at position min, then min equals to j. This is inner for loop is closing here, and then we are interchanging using the temporary variable t. T equals to num at I equals to num at minimum and num at minimum equals to t. We are closing the outer for loop, and then system dot out dot println numbers arranged in ascending order are for I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. System dot out dot println num of I. We are closing the two braces. Now I'm going to save this program as file, save as. I'm giving the name as the class name cellsort.java. Now let us run this. Java C cellsort.java. There are no errors, so the execution will be done now. Cellsort. Now let us enter 10 numbers: 56, 90, 43, 89, 12, 54, 89, 52, 99 and 16. Now the numbers in ascending order are C. The numbers here are arranged properly. That means our program is absolutely correct. I hope you all must have understood this program. Try to dry run this program and see how it is working.